Well, good day, everybody. How's my YouTube family doing? It's been a rainy day. Not a hard downpour, just enough to keep you in out of the weather. It's raining right now. But I haven't let Dan out today, but I did come over here and sit with him. His tank is nowhere to be found. I think because of the thunder, he is probably on my porch. I didn't look to see. I've called and called him, but he's not. He's doing his own thing. I think when he gets hungry enough, I'll see him. It's raining pretty good right now. They just keep coming little showers like this, which isn't bad at all. I don't need to use that water jug anymore, I don't think. Well, both of these are pretty dry. That one's got a little moisture in it. I need to go close the shed door. I'll go ahead and check the water in that incubator out there I checked it the day before yesterday, so should still be okay, but I'm gonna double check it. Yeah, I didn't sleep too well last night. I kept having this dream that I was being forced to drink pickle juice. And I'd wake up and I'd taste it. I'd be going, dang. These dreams have a dream-o-vision taste. Ah, yeah, okay. Yeah, that's a pretty good little shower right here now. Hear that thunder? Hey, big boy. Here, get you some water. Let me sit down here. Yeah. You're a good boy. You have really been a good boy. Yeah. He always wants to eat. If you were to fill his bowl up and fix it to where it never went empty, he'd never stop eating. Hey, it's raining out there. I left the gate open and he's looking out. He's not in no hurry to get off the porch because he's been getting off quite a bit. I've been letting him run when I'm out. He's been getting plenty of exercise. Tinker needs to do some gutter work. That corner right up there, that water's running off there and sliding right over it. Needs to be pulled back up. Yeah, but it's been really quiet. I've been watching a little YouTube and like I say, it keeps raining. I'm waiting for it to stop. Or at least give me a good break. Yeah, this part of the video is all about you, buddy. He wants to lean right up against me. He wants to be my buddy. Who wants to be my buddy? Yeah. Yeah. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yeah. Let's see your teeth. Yeah. Oh, no, jump. No jump. No jump. Down. No jump. There you go. Good boy. I'm rubbing you. I'm rubbing those ears for you real good too. You like that, don't you? Oh, yep. So we're just sitting here waiting on the rain to back off. And that was lightning. Did you hear that? Lightning and a big old thunderclap. Tank won't come off the porch for a week now. Rain, rain, rain. Can't much happen around here today. I get a break. I'll make it back to the barn. Check everything. Then I won't go back again until later on this evening. I wanted to run to the bank, but if it's doing this, I'm not going to be going anywhere. I'll sit back, enjoy the weather. It's not as hot today. They said it wasn't going to be. Duh. It's raining. The sun ain't even been out. I guess they got that one right. It's nearly 90. It's 88 or 89, something like that. All right, we're going to sit here and relax and take it easy. Y'all keep smiling. Well, it's still raining, but it has slacked off. Just a good mist of rain. Sprinkle. Thunder's still going there, getting it going up there. Good cool breeze blowing off that storm. Hear it? I'm gonna check the water in this and get this door closed. Whew. Now hang on, it's gonna take two hands. Always. I need three hands. Well, I knew that water was good, but I didn't think it would hurt to double check it. Oh! Dan's looking for me. Did you lose me? He went running to the porch thinking I was on the porch. All right, buddy, come on. Let's go to the porch. Come on. Come on. You want a treat? He'll come running here in a second. He's been just coming up here on his own. Of course, he hasn't been out but very long. You've been such a good boy. Good boy. I'll be back. Hopefully the rain will stop and we can stay outside for a little while, okay? Whew. That thunder's having a good time. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I can't believe you slept so long. That thunder just put you to sleep. Yeah. Well, look who I found. I knew where he was the whole time. I just hadn't looked to see. And sure enough, he was at the front door. Been there all night and all day. Aren't you hungry? Hey, you want to eat with Dan? Yeah. Now, we had breakfast this morning without you. Hey, Dan. Yeah, we'll let you eat. Yeah. Yeah. I'll let you eat, and then you can come out and play. I'll leave the gate open there when I feed you, okay? Come on. I think Tank's ready to eat now. Hang on, let me get them something to eat. Now they're eating together. And, yeah. Dan won't mess with Tanks. He respects that because Tank will get upset with him. And I'll leave the gate open. And come out and run a little bit. And it finally stopped raining. The storms moved away. Thunder stopped. And all that good stuff. But it kind of waited kind of late to do so. It's probably been out here for under an hour. Not heavy rain most of the time. It was just the kind of rain you really want. You done finished eating? Uh-oh, they both have, I reckon. Tomorrow, I think I'll be pull that mother and her baby chicks that she's hatched out and set them over here. Let's see how they do. I'll put them, leave them in there for fixing where they'll be stuck in there for a few days over here. Then I'll turn them loose. And that way they'll go back there tonight time. I haven't seen that one mother with her babies. In fact, well, the one I said I thought only had 4, and then all of a sudden I'm counting 5. Well, I'm back to counting 4 again. What can I say? But I hadn't seen her since I videoed her that time the other day. See, now there's 2 of them that was in that doghouse to start with. There they are. So look, they weren't to get up there and have a seat. They're fitting right on in there with the rest of them. Yeah. And here comes the cows. Let me go ahead and do them first. Let me get them some food. Yeah. They come down here to drink chicken water. There they are, look. They're back there going, right. Well, here we are. Well, let me feed them. Oh, yeah? Everybody is happy. Tomorrow will be vitamin day again. Yep, y'all gonna be forced to drink what I want you to drink. Two little chicks done got off the cage. Got off where they were sitting up there, and they're out here now. Look. They're out here cleaning up the ground. I'm not gonna put nothing else out there. It's wet and muddy. Put something out there in the morning, okay? Yeah, I'll just clean it up real good, because there's still stuff there. I think Tank is going to stay at the barn tonight. He went in there and he laid himself down. Dan here's like, I'm going with you. Where's your ball, Dan? Go get your ball and I'll play ball with you for a few minutes. Whew. Everything is good and wet now. That mama and those little babies I was talking about are probably up in them weeds somewhere. She's probably keeping them in hiding. Because I hadn't seen her or her babies. But I'm sure they're in there. I know something could get her babies. But it's unlikely. Unless she fights them. That they get her. Whew. Humidity is a lot better than it has been, but not good. Yeah. So much to do. Rain, rain, rain. You know what that means? Grass growing. Yeah. It ain't real bad yet. Dan! Come, Dan! Well, I called him. He comes running. Can y'all see him back there? Uh-oh, he's in. Oh, he stopped to use the bathroom. Typical. That's twice he did that today down there. Just let me go down there. I don't want to do it in the yard at home. All right. So he got finished. Let's see. Here he comes. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Ah, this way. Come on, you've done so good. I'm gonna give you another treat. You get 2 treats today. Yeah. 2 treats for Dan. Look at him come running. Call him. Yeah, good boy. Put your treat over there. Whew. He don't fight me with the gate like he used to. He'll walk over here to it, but he don't come trying to barge out of it or run out of it or anything like that. You've been a good boy. Yeah. Did you get you some exercise? I saw you running across the yard there. Was there a squirrel over there or something? It was something. You took out after it. Well, there's not much to today's video other than hanging out around the house and around the barn. Yeah. Rain kind of took over around here. But it is what it is. I'm gonna call it a night. Walk around a few minutes and look around and just thank the Lord for what my eyes see, what my ears hear, and for the beauty that He gave me to hear and see. Yeah, it is something else. You know, people they go to thousands of miles to go see off this bluff, off of this mountain or something, you know. And it is pretty and it's something to see. Don't get me wrong. But you can stand right where you're at, just looking out the window of your house. And if you don't see the beauty in what God has created, I don't know. I know some people live in block buildings and can't see past the next building. But at least you're in a building. You know what I mean? Something to be thankful for all the time. So, remember, Jesus loves you. For that reason, you can keep on smiling. Random things I do. Signing out. See you tomorrow. God bless.